Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add red curtain transition effect in PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my PowerPoint application on my computer, and first of all we need to download the red curtain transition effect from the internet. You can go to your browser and then you can search for the red curtain GIF like this. I'm going to download this GIF from the Pinterest. So I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to save image as. Okay. Alright, and now the current animation has been saved to my device, and I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint, and then we're going to insert the red curtain GIF. I'm going to go to pictures menu and then I'm going to select this device, and then I'm going to insert the curtain. Okay, and we can adjust it like this. Right, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add red curtain animation in PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.